Hello, fellow classmates. So today I'm going to talk to you about the NBA superstar Jeremy Lin. We all know his period of greatness on the Knicks was called Linsanity, and this video shows his top 10 plays from Linsanity. This highlight is really nice as we see the young superstar in his prime.
This is what I like. I like this. Lin picks it up. Lin drives in and lays it in. That was excellent defense. Anytime you get an opportunity to trap the Lakers, trap them. Get out in the open floor. And listen to this Garden crowd on this 10-0 run.
Jeremy Lin accelerates to the basket after he steals the ball. When he starts to accelerate, he does it because of friction between him and the ground. Friction is a force that resists relative motion between two bodies in contact. He creates this friction by pushing his feet backwards on the ground to propel himself forward, and this causes his acceleration. Look at that lob.
Lin with his first assist. He persevered that time, being hounded by Rubio. Lin around the screen by Jeffries, now pulls up for the jump shot. Got it off the glass.
Look at the shot. Bank shot.
Lin splits the defenders, gets inside. Lefty layup, puts it in. Sensational move from Jeremy Lin.
Here we see Jeremy Lin demonstrating his skills by making an unbalanced layup. Jeremy Lin is showing Newton's first law of motion. The first law of motion states that an object in motion tends to stay in motion. That's why he moved past the basket after he makes the layup. He does this while keeping the ball under control to score. His body mass tends to keep him in motion until he hit an unbalanced force.
Good feed ahead, and Chandler throws it down. There's Jeremy Lin with that court vision. Remember what I said, Mike. Chandler is running harder, rotating to the basket off pick and rolls quicker because he knows the pass.
Here we see Jeremy Lin throw the basketball at a 90-degree angle to his teammate Tyson Chandler. Tyson Chandler pushes off the ground, causing him to jump and accelerate to the basket. He changes his velocity and the amount of force in his legs to push him up to the basket. This causes him to slam the ball with great velocity. In that highlight, we see Jeremy Lin at his best. In this play, he only takes 3 strides to accelerate to the basket in less than 3 seconds. Acceleration is a change in velocity with respect to change in the time. Jeremy Lin performs the definition of acceleration perfectly.
Lin on the drive, gets inside, banks it in. Wow! How about that? How about that? He did not want a screen. He wanted to take his man, come up on the other side of the rim.
Oh.
Stopping Jeremy Lin on that play.
Here on that play, we see Jeremy Lin get an open lane to the basket, and him being the smart player that he is, he takes advantage of it. He dunks the ball. This is exciting for a player of his size to do this. This is an example of Newton's third law of motion. The law states that forces come in pairs. The first law is Jeremy Lin's hand, and the other force is the rim and the ball. They're both equal and straight in the opposite direction to the force of the rim and the ball to his hand.
Lin likes the open floor, spinning, puts it
Ooh,
up.
D-fish.
Sensational play for Jeremy Lin. And the Garden crowd on its feet again. Mike, he's really enjoying it. You can see the smile on his face because he almost tripped and fell as he came out of that spin. Another standing ovation for Jeremy Lin. 5, 4, Lin for the win.
Game winner right there. Bang, bang. Here we see Jeremy Lin making a game winner against the Toronto Raptors. He shoots a game winner to win the game. He shoots a projectile, which is the ball. A projectile is an object traveling through the air or another. He makes a shot to finish the Raptors. That's all from Najee Sportscasting.